Do you think racism is okay?
Great question. By modern day terms, I would say yes, racism is okay, because by modern day terms, racism has quite frankly lost its meaning. It's turned into this very lazy and just dilly-dally definition. Something like you say the N-word, you're automatically considered racist. That's not what racism actually is defined as. But now if I actually answer this based off the Greek definition, racism is defined as treating one race superior to another without probable cause. Without probable cause is the key line here, because you could argue whites are superior to Somalis due to having double the IQ, and you would be completely correct. So the only time I wouldn't say racism is okay is by the Greek definition, which is, again, not giving probable cause. As Christians, we don't see races as being superior to one another. We do recognize certain races are statistically above others in fields like IQ. Is that enough to claim superiority? I'm not sure. That's where the debate comes in. So to answer the question, is racism okay? Technically no, but it depends.